Okay, my name is Shalina Njiko Mwangi from Kuru College of Health and Science Management. Okay, today we are doing more about practicals in our skills lab. We are doing about donning and doffing our PPEs, and the importance of donning and doffing on our PPEs is to prevent cross-contamination and infection from us, the healthcare giver, and the patients. And we are also doing administering the CPR using the machine. Here we help to jumpstart the heart before the heart comes in. Surgical procedure, we have to wear gowns and our surgical gloves. So we start with the gown. And I assume after I have already done my hand scrubbing. Have a lot of infection, like you start with them and you prevent touching yourself with the contaminated gloves, so you peel them out and like that. Then you dispose them to the receiver, and if your beans are closed, you can dispose them to the yellow bin. Yes.
You can imagine that it is possible that or you can have your